Welcome back to another JavaScript coding language. Okay, the challenge for today's video is check if given number is perfect square or not. Okay, given an integer, determine if it is a perfect square. A number is a perfect square if you can multiply an integer by itself to achieve the number. Here, it should be an integer. Remember this, okay? For example, 9 is a perfect square because you can multiply 3 by itself to get it. Okay, now let's get into the solution. We are going to design a function that is perfect square, which takes an argument, an integer argument. Okay, now the first step here is let's find out the square root of given argument, that is Math.sqrt built-in method. We are using built-in method to find the square root of given parameter n. So now we should check whether n1, whatever the square root we got, is an integer or not. Okay, if n1 is integer, okay, then it's a perfect square, else n is not a perfect square. Okay, for that simply use return number dot is integer is a method, and then pass n1. So based on this return value, we can say whether given number is a perfect square or not. Okay, now let me run the test and then see how many pass. See, all of our test cases passed and our solution is working as expected. Okay, it's a simple one, just 2 lines of code where we are finding the square root using the built-in method, and then we are checking whether the square root is an integer or not. So whenever we need to form a perfect square, the square root should be always an integer. Okay, then only we can say the given number is a perfect square. That's the reason we are using isInteger method to check the square root is an integer or not. Okay, that's it for today's challenge. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more technical videos. Thank you for watching.